In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo on Shopify. To begin, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account name. From the menu that appears, select Integrations. This is where you can connect Klaviyo with other platforms, including your Shopify store. Next, click Explore Apps. In the search bar, type Shopify, then select the Shopify integration from the results. After that, click Install to begin the connection process. Klaviyo will ask for your Shopify store URL. Enter your store URL carefully, then click Connect to Shopify. This will take you into Shopify so you can approve the integration. Inside Shopify, you will see a prompt asking you to authorize the app. Click Install App to continue. This step allows Klaviyo and Shopify to share the data they need in order to work together properly. Once the app is installed, the integration itself is connected, but there is still one more important part to complete inside your Shopify theme settings. Now go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your live theme and click the Customize button next to it. This opens the theme editor, where you can manage visual and app-related settings for your storefront. In the theme editor, look to the far left vertical sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This section controls apps that run directly on your storefront. Once you are in App Embeds, look for Klaviyo. In some stores, it may appear as Klaviyo On-Site. When you find it, toggle the switch to On. This enables the Klaviyo On-Site features so they can load correctly on your store. After turning it on, go to the top right corner and click Save. Saving is important here because if you leave the theme editor without saving, the embed setting may not be applied. At this point, your Klaviyo integration should be connected to Shopify and the on-site embed should be active on your store. If you do not see the app embed right away, give the page a moment to load and check again, since some themes can take a few seconds to display app options. That covers everything you need to know.